Your car's been around a bit. Getting the basics right early saves you money, hassle, and stress down the road. And the bonus? I'll show you some of the latest gadgets for 2025 that'll make maintenance easier. And I've got a link below if you want to check them out, https://amzn.to/484kfxv. So, buckle up. And let's roll into number 1. Tip 1. Check and top up fluids. One of the simplest, but most often neglected things, is fluids. Engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, power steering fluid. From day one, you should get into the habit of checking them. Use your dipstick for oil. Check the coolant level when the engine is cold, if you see the level below minimum. Top up with the right mixture. Here's a cool tool from 2025, a smart digital fluid and pressure tester. It makes checking easier and more accurate. Do this monthly, and your engine will thank you. Tip 2. Maintain tire pressure and condition. Your tires are your only contact with the road. Keeping them in good shape is key. Check the manufacturer's recommended pressure, then inspect and measure every 2 weeks, or before long trips. A handy gadget from the 2025 list. A portable air compressor with digital pressure gauge, compact, reliable, and stops automatically when the pressure is correct. Smooth, consistent tire pressure saves fuel, improves safety, and prevents uneven tire wear. Tip 3. Keep the interior and exterior clean. A clean car lasts longer. Wiping down surfaces, vacuuming the interior, washing the paint, all protects your investment. From the 2025 gadgets list, mini handheld vacuums and cleaning gel make it super easy to remove dust and debris. Do this from day one, and avoid rust, stains, and interior wear. Your car will feel new for years. Tip 4. Inspect belts, hoses, and battery. Even new cars need visual inspections. Check belts for cracks, hoses for leaks, and battery terminals for corrosion. A Bluetooth OBD2 scanner, from the 2025 gadgets list, can detect early issues, even before you see them. Do this quarterly. Small problems today prevent big problems tomorrow. Tip 5. Follow the service schedule. Stick to your car manufacturer's recommended service schedule. Oil changes, filter replacements, tire rotations, brake checks, all on time. Keep a maintenance log in your phone or notebook. Record every service. This habit, from day one, builds a history for your car, which saves money and protects resale value. Tip 6. Check the brake system regularly. Your brakes are vital. Check pads, discs, and brake fluid. Listen for unusual sounds. From the 2025 gadgets list, undercarriage inspection lights make this easier. A firm brake pedal, clean fluid, and no leaks means safer driving. Check every 1,000 to 2,000 kilometers. Tip 7. Protect your car from the elements. Sun, rain, and humidity can damage your car's paint and interior. Use wax, ceramic coatings, sunshades, and a cabin air purifier, like the Philips GoPure 5212, from the 2025 gadgets list. These small habits protect your car from fading, cracking, and rust. Start from day one. Tip 8. Drive smart and use good fuel. How you drive affects your car's longevity. Smooth acceleration, gentle braking, warm up your engine, all matter. Use quality fuel, avoid letting the tank run too low, and consider a driving habit monitor, from the 2025 gadgets list. Track your smooth driving, and improve efficiency, from day one. Tip 9. Use tech tools early. Modern tech helps you detect problems before they get serious. Bluetooth OBD2 scanners, dash cams, tire monitors, all can be found in the 2025 gadgets list. Plug them in, track your car's health, and log everything from day one. Proactive maintenance keeps your car reliable. Tip 10. Plan long-term maintenance. Think of your car as an investment. Plan for timing belt replacements, major services, and budget for upkeep. Use gadgets, like interior vacuums, dash cams, and purifiers, not just for comfort, but to protect resale value. From day one, record everything, follow your plan, and your car will stay in top shape for years. Closing, call to action. Alright folks. Those are the top 10 ways to maintain your car from day one. Simple, effective habits that save money and stress. Check out the recommended 2025 car gadgets using the link below, https://amzn.to/4a4kfxv. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and comment your number one car maintenance habit. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and keep your ride in top shape. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.